Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute. Hope you guys are fine. Anyway, today I want to take you through how I created this look with my model. Sadly or fortunately, I have to share this space with my stylist who wants to beat me up, but that's alright. I can work with that anyway. So yeah, I wiped her face with micellar water. Then I'm using the Dr. Rachel serum. This is just skin prep. So I'm prepping her skin basically. So I'm going ahead with the primer, classic primer. I used two different type of classic primer. I can't really tell the difference, but I think one is slightly better or stronger than one. So I used to both of them. That's what I do normally. So yeah. So I'm blending everything into her skin before I go in with her foundation and all. This is the first primer. Then I'll add the second on top. That's the one in the bottle. Yeah. When I allow the primer to set and I go in with foundation Zickel. I can't remember the exact shade number, but I'll put it down in comment section below. So yeah. So I'm just trying to blend it into her skin. So now just going in with my concealer. Set her under eyes and do it for all necessary parts. So let it stay for a bit. Do not make it stay too long and do not blend in immediately. So it just sits properly on the skin. The hardest thing was creating this look was having to work with my stylist because to God be the glory, to God be our glory. Because she was dragging from one part. I was trying to get my own angle, but it was crazy. But it's all good. No shaking. So I'm just going with the powder to set. Just make the concealer sit properly so it doesn't get kicky or anything. So yeah, so I'll do this before I go in with my contour and the rest. So just going into contour with my powder to contour her face and let it sit pretty on her face. So after that, I'm just going to add my blush. I forgot to record that part, so I had to go back in and do a proper recording. I'm a blush person, so pardon me. I am a blush person. So yeah, I'm going in my nose contour and trying to see. My hairstylist is she's trying to send me back to the village, but no, devil is a liar. So yeah, just trying to get the nose contour before I go in with eyeshadow. So yeah. So right now, I'm setting her face with my loose powder. Oops. Just trying to set it in with my puff. So I have a happy model. So while that is setting in, I think I go with the eyeshadow. So yeah, I literally had to beg my stylist to let me do this. She needed to chill, please. I'm like, please, can you give me a second to just do this? But look at her, she didn't even still go. She's back. My hairstylist is a hottie, oh. Don't mess with her. So So going into the under eyes, for both eyes, I just do it. Then I go next to my lashes. And there's always a huge difference with what the lashes does. To me, lashes is just everything. It gives the final, it gives the look a whole new meaning, if I must say. So you can see the difference between our left and our right eyes. It changes everything. Changes everything. Totally. Oh, my hairstylist is back again. Ugh. So I go in with the lips rather. Did I beg her to give me some second for this part? I can't remember, but it was a struggle. Can you imagine? See what she was doing with the hair? I had to blend it off camera. So sorry, guys. So I'm just lining her lips basically. I used the lip palette and my brow gel. Mixed both. I mixed the brown and I think a burgundy together. That's what I did. So I'm going to add a little bit of pink and nude in the middle. It's just like I said, I'm just making the eyes pop again. I added some shimmer, or yeah, shimmer to the eyes. This shimmer. Oh. So yeah, the lip. Trying to just blend it in. Add some colors to make it beautiful. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please like or share or comment and turn on your notification button, so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah. See how this lip is popping. Everything is good. The hair is popping. In fact, she's not even done with the hair, but it looks banging already. Eyeshadow, everything. So yeah, going with our brows. Just quickly do that. I use the Adventure brow gel to achieve this brow look. So it's very affordable. You should check it out. Check them out. So done with the both eyebrows. I'm just going to conceal and just make the brow neat underneath. So did you feel that right? Neat underneath. I should go to the studio, guys. It's not easy. My mother is a very pretty girl. She is pretty. Anyways, so I'm just going to do that for both sides. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please subscribe or like or share or comment. Please. Now my hairstyle is almost done. I am done. I'm just trying to clean, subscribe. Did I say subscribe? Subtract. This English thing is hard. Anyways, I'm just trying to clean up, dot my I's and cross my T's. You can see. So it's coming out nice, pretty. So yes, guess who's back again? My hairstylist. Yes, so don't forget to set your face. So oh, she's back again. So this is the final look, guys. What do you think? Drop your comments. Like, this is so pretty. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.